online friends. My name is Mrs. Massa, and I teach 3rd grade at Sarar. Today I set up my dining room as my classroom, and I'm going to teach you a lesson on area. Come on over, I'll show you. Our goal for this first lesson is to be able to find the area of a flat, plain, two-dimensional shape by covering it with unit squares, such as these, and then counting the unit squares. But before we get started, there's a couple things that you'll need to know. When we're placing our unit squares, they have to be next to each other and touching. You can't have gaps in your shapes like this, and you can't have overlaps, so you can't put one on top of the other like that. So let's go ahead and get started. Today I have 3 different squares. This is 1 unit square. This is 1 unit square. And that's right, you guessed it. This is 1 unit square. If you notice, all 3 of them are squares and they're all different sizes. That's fine. One thing that I do want to tell you is when we write the word square, it takes forever. So you can abbreviate square with SQ, period. It makes it a lot easier. Now, I went ahead and I made some figures. I made 2 of them out of orange tiles. If you look at the first one, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 tiles. Look at the second one. 1, 2, 3, 4 tiles. To find the area, I count the tiles. 4 square units. Count these. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 square units. Now you'll note some things that are the same. They both have the same area, 4 square units. They have differences. Can anybody guess what the difference is? They're different shapes. This one, all 4 tiles are in a straight row. This one, the tiles make a square. The next thing I'm going to show you is graph paper. I'm going to make the same tiles, the same shapes that I just made before. I'm going to start by shading in the first one. Just to remind you, it's just like this. 1 unit square. Okay, if I were to shade this, we would count how many squares are inside the shape. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The area of this shape is 8 square units. 8 square units can look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, we have the same area, 8 square units, but we have different figures, different shapes. Now, another way to find area is on this. And I know you've seen these before. This is called a geoboard. And I know that if we were in school, you would love it because then you could flick the rubber bands. Again, this is 1 unit square, just like this. I'm going to make a shape that has an area of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 square units. I'm going to make another one. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 square units. They're similar in that they both have the same area, but they're different in that the shapes are different. You can also use dot paper to make shapes. Again, fill in 1 square, the same as 1 unit square. I'm going to fill in this shape. and then we'll count how many we have. You could dot them, connect the dots like this at the beginning before you get used to it. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 square units. I'll shade it in for us to see. So that shape is 16 square units. I can do 16 over here too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I have two shapes that are different figures but have the same area. And the last thing I want to show you is this. Again, 1 unit square. This time it looks like this. So to find the area of this shape, you could count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. The area of this shape is 30 square units. Now, my friends, head back to the tic-tac-toe board, the middle square, and do the assigned lesson that goes with this video. Thank you.